Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to read from here the Ram says. Okay, I hope you have got whatever I have taught you from this lesson. I hope you have got that. So today we are going to read from here. The Ram says, overwhelmed with amazement at such a palpable insinuation, turned wrathfully red. So Ram says we are overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means strong emotional effect when you are affected, strongly affected by any emotion. Okay, with amazement. Amazement means a feeling of great surprise or wonder. They were surprised when, because they were not this, उनकी कोई खता थी ही नहीं. क्यों? बिकॉज वो गेस पेपर था. अब उनको थोड़ी ना पता था कि पेपर वैसे ही आएगा. सो क्या था इनका कि द राम सेज ओवरवेल्म्ड विद अमेजमेंट. ओवरवेल्म्ड मीन्स strong emotional effect, means they were greatly affected at such a palpable insinuation, turned wrathfully red. Palpable insinuation means that can be easily noticed. For example, किसी को गुस्सा आता है तो वो गुस्सा सीधे उसके चेहरे पे दिखता है. That emotion that can be seen on face, that's called a palpable. Okay, that is easily noticeable, that you can easily notice. Insinuation means the act of suggesting indirectly that something pleasant is unpleasant is true. So the act of suggesting, so insinuation means that something unpleasant is true. Unpleasant क्या था? Unpleasant यही था कि उनको जो क्वेश्चंस गैस दिया था क्लीव ने, वो डायरेक्टली वही एग्जाम में आया था. तो दैट वाज समथिंग and something unpleasant had happened with them, and it was very true, क्योंकि ये बात सच भी थी, है ना. The Ram says, overwhelmed with amazement at such a palpable insinuation, turned wrathfully red. So they turned red, from their face turned red. Why? Because they were caught. उस सिचुएशन में वो फंस चुके थे जिनका उनको खुद भी बेचारों को पता नहीं था. They were totally unaware about that because they were not culprits. They were not culprits. Why they were not culprits? Because it was just a guess and it was just a coincidence. Why? We have told you. Cleve guessed, gasped Marley. So Marley, what's Marley saying? We have told you. हमने आपको वो guess paper, हमने आपके साथ भी वो guess paper share किया. Cleve guessed. Cleve just guessed. उसने खाली guess लगाया. He himself didn't knew कि these questions will come in the examination. He just guessed. Okay, gasp Marley. Gasp means heavy breath, and when you are anxious, when you have anxiety and you breathe heavily, that's called gasp. Okay, हमने आपके साथ भी वो questions share किए. Cleve guessed. Cleve just guessed. It's not our fault. Bunkum, how could he? Bunkum means nonsense. Okay, so here it is what Eva is here expressing expressing here what? A feeling of what? A feeling of what? Anger. Bunkum, nonsense. Okay, how could he means how could Cleve guess that these questions will come in the examination? Very convenient guessing, I am sure. So Marley is telling him that this is very convenient guessing. Means convenient means convenient means easily guessing. He easily guessed these questions. It was convenient guessing. Convenient means easy. Okay, easily. So he easily guessed these questions. I am sure that it was not. Now Marley is telling Eva that I'm sure that this guessing was convenient. This guessing was easily done by Cleve. It's no use telling us such utter fibs. So Eva is telling Marley that it's useless that you are telling us lies. It's useless. We are not going to spare you. We are not going to spare you, and we are not going to listen these lies from you. They are not fibs. How dare you say so? Flamed Marley. So they are not fibs. They are not lies. I'm not lying. How dare you say so? How dare you say that I'm lying? Flamed Marley. Flamed means anger. So flamed means aag bagola hona. Angrily she said. It's the absolute truth, endorsed Mavis. So Mavis is telling it's absolute truth. ये सच है. Endorsed Mavis. Endorsed means to declare publicly. Okay, सबके सामने वो इकरार कर रही है, publicly ये बोल रही है कि ये truth है, ये सच है. Do you stick to that? Of course we do. Do you stick to that means क्या आप सच में ये मान रहे हो कि ये सच है? वो बोल रही है, मर्ली क्या बोल रही है, माविस क्या बोल रही है? Yes, we stick to this and we are telling the truth. Then I shall have to call on Sybil to tell us something she saw yesterday. Now Eva is telling that we should call then Sybil and tell her that she saw yesterday. चलो इसको बुलाएंगे Sybil को कि उसी को बोलेंगे कि आपने कल क्या देखा. Sybil, who was red, nervous and even more uncomfortable than Eva, rose from her seat to make her accusation. So Sybil, who was red and she was nervous as well because she has to declare something, and even more uncomfortable than Eva, she was more uncomfortable than Eva because she has to declare something. Rose from her seat. Rose means she got up from her seat to make her accusation. Accusation means इल्जाम लगाना किसी पर, ठीक है? तो अब वो उठी, अब वो उन पे इल्जाम लगा डिक्लेयर करना चाहती थी. I was in the garden yesterday after school and I saw Merle come back, hurry among the bushes. I was in the garden yesterday. So I was in the garden yesterday after school. So when school was over, I was in the garden. And I saw Merle come back. Merle went home, but maybe Sybil, Sybil is a boarding student, boarder, okay? Boarder means one who resides in the hostel, okay? Hostler, वो hostel में ही रहती थी वहाँ पर. I was in the garden yesterday after school and saw Merle come back. Now the school is over and she saw Merle come back from home to the school. Hurry among the bushes and climb in at the study window. She was hurry among the bushes. वो झाड़ियों से तेज भाग रही थी and climb in at the study window. Study window से climb किया. I waited and she came out again and scooted off as if she didn't want to meet anybody. I waited, मैं देख रही थी. I waited there and saw what she was doing. And she came out again. She came out again from the study window and scooted off. Scooted off means to go away quickly as if she didn't want to meet anybody. So she went off quickly because she didn't want to meet anybody. Oh, you didn't see me. I wasn't there, was I, Mavis? So now Merle is telling Mavis that, did you see me there? You didn't see me there. I wasn't there. Was I, Mavis? Now Merle is telling Mavis, was I there at the study window, or was I there in the bushes? And do I climbed the study window and went into the study room? Most certainly not. You were at home all the time. I can prove that. So she is telling most certainly not. No, you were not. You were at home all the time with me. I can prove that. मैं ये बात साबित कर सकती हूँ. I think the thing proves itself. चीजें खुद ब खुद साबित हो रही है. Said Eva. कैसे? First of all, you are seen by a witness entering the study, where no doubt the exam papers were spread out on the table, and then you come to school primed with the questions. There isn't a shadow of doubt. So I think the thing proves चीजें खुद ब खुद साबित हो रही है. ईवा ने बोला. सबसे पहले you are seen by a witness entering the study, where no doubt the exam papers were spread out. You were seen by the witness. You were seen by Sybil. You were entering the study, and in the study the exam papers were spread out on that table, and then you come to school. You come to school prepared with those questions. You saw those questions yesterday and went quickly to the from there, and next day you come to school prepared with the questions, with the same questions that you saw yesterday in the study room. There isn't a shadow of doubt. यहाँ पे शक की कोई गुंजाइश है ही नहीं. I hope you have got this, whatever I have taught you right now. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.